Jesus is the image of God. Father is seen in the Son by his divine nature. He is in the Father, and with the Father, the Son is the one and same God. My dear brothers and sisters, today we celebrate the feast of a distinguished Dominican tertiary, St. Louis de Montfort, who is called the second Dominic, as he revealed the way to reach Jesus through devotion to Mary and the Rosary. In today's Gospel, we read about Jesus revealing the Father. Jesus' response, "I am in the Father, and the Father is in me," encompasses the great mystery of the unity of the Trinity. St. Augustine, he taught that it is impossible to have faith if we don't understand anything. So what do we understand when we profess in the Nicene Creed, begotten, not made, consubstantial with the Father? Today's reading is what we profess. I am in the Father, and the Father is in me. Chapter 14, verse 11. He who has seen me has seen the Father. Chapter 14, verse 9. The words that I speak to you, I do not speak on my own. The Father who dwells in me is doing his works. Chapter 14, verse 10. Well, St. Hilary, the champion of Trinitarian doctrine, he concludes that these verses, they show that the Father dwells in the Son. The Father is not alien or solitary. The Father shows, speaks, and works by the Son. St. John Chrysostom adds that here is the consubstantiality of Son with the Father. What we profess in the Creed is explained by the Church in the Catechism of the Catholic Church, Article 262. Jesus is the image of God. Father is seen in the Son by his divine nature. He is in the Father, and with the Father, the Son is the one and same God. What cause was there for Philip to ask Jesus to show him the Father when Philip was seeing the Father himself? Well, Philip saw him walking on the water, Jesus commanding the winds, remitting sins, and raising the dead. He even heard the testimony of Peter that Jesus is the Son of the living God. Yet, Philip failed to recognize the divinity mingled with Christ's humanity. My dear brothers and sisters, Philip failed to recognize the divinity in the human Jesus. But we fail to recognize Jesus in the humanity around us. We don't see him multiplying bread, or turning water into wine, or raising the dead. As we read in Matthew 25:40, we see him in the form of the hungry, the thirsty, the naked, the stranger, and the least of all the people. Let us strive to see and serve Jesus in the poor and needy, and be one with Christ in love.